music is addressed to my people, especially to make them more curious about where they came from and their own identity and pride in that identity.
Hey cousins, welcome back. Today we are going to be making some aloe vera powder. These are aloe vera that I have grown in my own garden. If you have been here for a little while, I'm sure you remember all of the aloe vera videos that we have posted. So the first thing that I do with my aloe vera is cut off the base, and then I slice the aloe vera as thin as possible. This will make your drying time lessen and make it much easier and a more even dry that you get from your aloe vera. Now I want you to remember that the gel that's inside of the aloe vera is mostly liquid. So you're going to be getting rid of all of that liquid when you're dehydrating your aloe vera stems. Fun fact, I have actually dehydrated aloe vera and then rehydrated it, and it came out looking just as it was when I first sliced it. So let's get into some of these benefits, okay? Aloe vera has antioxidant and antiviral and antibacterial properties. It's also high in vitamin C and E. Aloe vera accelerates wound healing, especially with sores or burns, when you use it in a powder or in its original gel form. It can be used to reduce dental plaque, helps with canker sores, and even reduce constipation. Now y'all know I love using it in hair and skin products. It improves skin, reduces wrinkles. It's very beneficial for dry skin and acne. It strengthens your hair. The enzymes break down fats, and so it strips of the excess oil in your hair. It helps with itchy scalp, protects from UV damage, and it promotes hair growth. I make sure when I put them on the tray to leave space so that the air can flow through, and soon all of this water and hydration that you see in the gel will be completely gone. Once I have all of my aloe vera placed on the pans, I stack them on top of my dehydrator. When I turn my dehydrator on, I typically set it to 122 to 158 degrees. That's so I get a slow, even dehydration and I don't risk it burning, because I set it to 19 and a half hours. Although it doesn't need all that time, I set it to that to make sure that it's completely dried out and they should be able to crisp when they're done. And since the temperature is lower, I don't risk the burning. And now while my dehydrator is doing all the work for me, I am now free to go do something else. There are times that I have to rush the process, and at these times I put them in my oven and make sure that I have a pan with foil or a pan that reflects that I use it with. I typically set it to the lowest setting, 200 degrees, for 4 or 5 hours and leave the oven slightly open. So we are almost finished. This is what my aloe vera looks like when it is completely dry. As you can see, I can crack it and it snaps. So I put it right into my blender. This is my coffee grinder that I use. I use it for majority of my products when I'm making powders. It is awesome. It has different coarse settings, so I can make it chunky or I can make it very fine. Now, when I use the aloe vera powder, I use it a couple of different ways. Sometimes I will take a little bit of powder, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon, and I can make a paste with some water. Say if one of the kids have a burn or if they get a mosquito bite or something, and I can put it right on there and it can use its magical healing powers and let it go to work. Or I can take it and I can put it into my conditioner, especially my leave-in conditioners when I'm doing my hair, and it adds so many benefits to it. Now, later on, you will see me add more videos about how I make the actual products using my aloe vera powder, and I cannot wait to show you guys. And this is my completed aloe vera powder. Now, you can make it a little more fine if you would like, but for me, this is perfect. Make sure you put it in an enclosed jar so that it is tightly sealed, and you're done. Thank y'all for coming, cousins. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Bye. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.